Welcome to this guide on USDT, also known as Tether. USDT is the most popular stablecoin in the cryptocurrency world. A stablecoin is a special type of digital currency designed to maintain a stable value, unlike other cryptocurrencies that can swing wildly in price. Throughout this video, we'll explore what makes Tether unique, how it works, and why it has become such an important part of the crypto ecosystem. USDT is a cryptocurrency stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. This means that one USDT token is designed to always equal one US dollar. It was issued by a company called Tether Limited and was first launched in 2014. Today, USDT has a market capitalization of over $120 billion, making it the largest stablecoin in existence. The main purpose of USDT is to serve as a bridge between traditional money and the cryptocurrency world, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of blockchain technology while avoiding the extreme price swings common in other digital currencies. The process of creating and using USDT follows 3 simple steps. First, a user deposits US dollars with Tether. Second, Tether then mints or creates an equivalent amount of USDT tokens and issues them to the user. Third, these USDT tokens can now circulate freely in cryptocurrency markets, where they are used for trading, transfers, and other transactions. When users want to convert back to dollars, they can redeem their USDT tokens with Tether, and the tokens are destroyed or burned. This cycle of minting and burning helps maintain the token's value. The key feature of USDT is maintaining its peg to the dollar, meaning one USDT should always equal one US dollar. Tether maintains this peg through several mechanisms. First is reserve backing, where each USDT is backed by equivalent reserves held by the company. Second is the redemption process, which allows users to exchange their USDT for actual US dollars. Third is supply control, where Tether mints new tokens when demand increases and burns tokens when users redeem them. Finally, market forces and arbitrage trading help keep the price stable. When USDT trades slightly above or below $1, traders quickly buy or sell to profit from the difference, naturally pushing the price back to $1. Tether backs its USDT tokens with a portfolio of reserves. According to their reports, approximately 85% of reserves consist of cash and cash equivalents, which includes items like treasury bills and money market funds. About 6% is in secured loans, where borrowers provide collateral. Around 5% is held in corporate bonds and precious metals like gold. The remaining 4% consists of other investments. Tether publishes quarterly attestation reports to provide transparency about these reserves. This backing is crucial because it gives users confidence that they can redeem their USDT for real dollars whenever they need to. USDT offers several important benefits to cryptocurrency users. First, it enables fast transactions that can be completed in minutes across multiple blockchain networks. Second, it enjoys wide adoption and is accepted on virtually every major cryptocurrency exchange around the world. Third, USDT has extremely high liquidity, meaning it has the largest trading volume among all stablecoins, making it easy to buy and sell quickly. Fourth, and perhaps most importantly, it provides price stability. While other cryptocurrencies can gain or lose significant value in a single day, USDT maintains its $1 value, protecting users from crypto market volatility. One of USDT's greatest strengths is its availability across multiple blockchain networks. It operates on Ethereum as an ERC20 token, on Tron as a TRC20 token, on Binance Smart Chain as a BEP20 token, on Solana as an SPL token, on Avalanche's C-Chain, and on Polygon's Matic network. In total, USDT is available on over 15 different blockchain networks. This multi-chain presence gives users flexibility to choose the network that best suits their needs, whether they prioritize low fees, fast transaction speeds, or compatibility with specific applications. Let's recap what we've learned about USDT first. USDT is the most widely used stablecoin, maintaining a one-to-one peg with the US dollar. Second, it is backed by reserves held by Tether Limited, which provides the foundation for its stable value. Third, USDT is available on over 15 blockchains, giving users maximum flexibility for their transactions. Fourth, it provides crucial stability and liquidity in cryptocurrency markets, serving as a safe haven during volatile periods. Understanding USDT is essential for anyone navigating crypto trading, as it serves as the primary stable asset that connects traditional finance with the digital currency ecosystem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.